All right, my name is Chris Campbell. I'm a practicing CPA and I work with small businesses and individuals to help them pay the least amount of taxes possible while keeping them out of jail. So today I wanted to give a quick tip because this is a situation that I came across very recently. If you're the sole owner of an S corporation, whether that be an S corporation that you went ahead and formed directly, or if you went the route of being an LLC, choosing to be taxed as an S corporation, what tends to happen with some folks is that because they are in the business and it's just them, and again, this is mostly for folks where they're the only person in the company. What tends to happen sometimes is that the owner operator forgets that they're operating as an S corporation, and what I've seen happen is that they'll receive, say, 1099. So if they're doing work or some sort of consultancy work or some work for somebody, I've seen it such that that owner will still receive 1099s in their name versus receiving the 1099 and the tax ID of the corporation. And it's very easy to do because if you're a one man, one woman show and you're the only person in the company, it's very easy to sometimes mix up or understand that the company is a separate entity from you as the individual. You want to make sure that if you are in an S corporation situation, you want to make sure that you're receiving any 1099s, make sure that they're made out to the company and not to you. Because what can happen, and this is something that happened with a client not too long ago, was that they got an audit notice because the IRS was looking for these 1099s that were made out to their name. They were looking for that income on their personal tax returns. However, because this income was all generated as a result of a business activity and they were an S corporation, all of this income was reported on the S corporation and not on their personal return. And as a result, they got an audit notice because the IRS was looking for that income on their personal return, even though we already accounted for it on the corporation return. It can cause for some pretty hefty surprise bills. And it's something that you can get cleared up. Nonetheless, it can create a shocking bill depending upon the size of those 99s. Just make sure that if you're reporting on a separate entity and you're doing work on behalf of your business and you're receiving a 1099, make sure that you are submitting your business information, your EIN, and not your social security number. That's normally done through a form called a W-9. Usually a vendor or client, whoever's paying you, may ask for a W-9. And on that W-9 form, there's room for both a social security number and a tax ID number. Just make sure that you fill out your tax ID number or EIN and not your social security. So that's all for now. I hope this was helpful. So if you have any more questions about this or any other tax or accounting related questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. All right. That's all for now. And I'll see you in the next one.